for watching today. Jowo would like to show you a new Smiggle haul she got recently.
It's me, Jowo. Smiggle stuff.
Cool. So, perfect. And that matches the Faves collection, doesn't it? So this one's just a little bit smaller pencil case. They have got another bigger size in this as well. Let's show the front. So it's got a smaller zipper along the front with a cute little star. And it's got some sparkles along the top. And then there's another zipper along the front, so you can fit all your goodies inside there. Okay, so that's the first thing. So a wallet. So the wallet looks like this, and it has with matching sparkles. So it has the nice unicorn on the front, and you open it up, and it has
a Toys R Us.
It has. That's an old one though, isn't it? And then there's all your little compartments inside. So that's really cute. So all of these match, which is really great. I were lucky enough to find the lunch box as well. Have a little compartment at the bottom. Then we have another compartment at the top, which is this one here. And that's the Faves lunch box. What do you think? What about these pencils? These are cute.
Let me just smell this. They smell so good.
Oh, we've got a matching Faves selector pen, and that also smells a really cute rainbow notepad. Who it belongs to up the top here, and then there's some different pages inside that you can write your little notes and things on. Smiggle sparkles on the front, as you can see there. Lots of Smiggles. Also found a unicorn, and the lid comes off. Is it this? I think it's the top. Like a Smiggle colouring book, which is this one here.
It's cool
to colour in. We also found a unicorn. It has to be a unicorn at the moment, doesn't it? Phone case. So this phone case is for an iPhone 6. Smells too pretty.
It's cute.
It's really cute, yeah. Pencil case. And this has a few different compartments. It's got a little ice cream tag, which is cute. So it has a middle section there, and then it has another outer zipper. So that one's really cute, and it's got a metallic back, yeah, and it has a shimmery pastel look. And guys, is the
butterfly pencil case.
So this is what it looks like. So there's a lot of sparkles on there and butterflies, and it's a hard top. Well guys, I hope you liked our quick Smiggle review, and look out for some more coming soon. Bye.
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 Bye.